After video very DarkMan numero basalo BLord that is extorting Nigerians. BLord is not extorting money from anybody. BLord did not force anybody to buy the iPhone SR he is selling. This is his business and it's a choice. So VDM, you don't come online to condemn someone's business and now at the same time post a contact for people to contact a particular person to get the same item. In business, everybody has the right to put a price tag, because sometimes we go to ShopRite and we see a price tag of a particular goods. We don't complain, we buy it. There are some clothes that they are selling at ShopRite at the rate of 20,000 naira, while you can get it at main market 7,000 naira, but we don't complain, we buy it. So this is his business. The same way if you go to a hotel to lodge, there are some hotels that you can afford a night 200,000 naira. People don't complain. They do pay for it. And there are some people that can afford the one of 30K. And when they go to these hotels, they pay without complaining. So this is his business. And he's not extorting money from anybody. So this is a choice. If you want to buy, you purchase from him. If you don't want to purchase from him, you look for someone else that is selling at a lower rate. But coming online to tell people that he's extorting money, that you are in China, or is he not aware that you are in China, is not good. Sometimes some of the things you are doing is wrong. But because of our people now, say they believe you are now a god to them. So that is the reason why they believe everything they see. Maybe something that is coming from you in particular that is true. This is someone's business. And if you don't like how he's promoting his business, then there's no reason you should condemn his business. If you have the same product that you want to promote it without involving him. I know some of you, after listening to my video now, you say, go and sit down. Until it reaches you, that is when you understand all these things. For now, you will not understand it. Until it reaches you, that is when you understand it.